Okay, so here's my timeline. This timeline is of the history of technology and also important things in my life that have to do with technology. The first part here is um, Anasoff Berry computer. This was created in 1937. It was just the first digital computer. The next part is the electronical ENIAC. This is the first functional electronic computer used for general purposes. It was invented in 1946 in many places. IBM in 1953 introduced the first commercial scientific computer. Um, the first electronic calculator introduced in 1961 by Texas Instruments. Basically that's what that is. There was the first Apple computer in 1976, the first digital camera in 1975. My first personal, or the first personal computer ever to be taken out was in 1975. In the Altair 8800. The first cell phone was in 1984. The cell phone was big. It cost close to $4,000, which is pretty steep for things this day and age. My first smartphone was in 2012. My very first computer was in 2004. This connects to the DLCs because it allowed me to realize how to introduce myself with technology, how to learn the grounds for technology, introduce my first Facebook and Twitter account, and these times too. I received my own computer, So this is my timeline. These all connect to the DLCs because it allows me to, connect with technology on a different level. It allows me to be, different on technology, and that's my timeline. So thank you.